Yo, what's up, everybody? TG here again, and today I'm going to be going over my plays for next week. So let's have a little recap of what happened last week. Um, Amron, one of my stocks in my portfolio that I sold puts on, absolutely crashed, and we had to pick up shares at 6.5. So now we're holding 1,700 shares at an average cost of 609, and we're down $3,100 on it. So, not good. We're gonna hold this on for the long term, though. Unfortunately, it does take up a lot of collateral, as you guys can see, $7,200. So we're gonna be having to make a deposit pretty soon to try to cover up some of that. Cover up some of that collateral. Um, Apple, we sold an Apple put when Apple went down. We're actually up on it a little bit. Yeah, up 126 bucks on it so far. Apple does have a nice day on Monday, and I can get up to like being up $200 or so on that, I'm probably going to close that position out, free up some collateral, and look for another play. Pfizer, hopefully Pfizer can start up on Monday. We can sell a covered call on that. So I have 300 shares. So what I would do is I would go here, trade options, sell call. I'd probably do a 37 call. Click here, click continue. Three of them, get $102 for them at the current price. But if it goes up, probably get 150, which, would be nice. We collected some nice premium for it, so not bad. But maybe even do 37.5 if it really has a nice day on Monday. Adam, we're gonna hold these puts. These expire the 18th. Today is the 6th. The market will open up on the 8th, Tuesday, Labor Day. We have the day off, so nothing's gonna be happening on Monday, unfortunately. But we're gonna be holding these. We're even on them basically. We're down $5. No one cares. We're gonna hold these and see what we can do with it. Also, another thing I'm gonna be looking at is selling puts on Wells Fargo, because I feel like Wells Fargo is gonna take a big hit on Tuesday because Berkshire Hathaway slashed their stake in it. So I think we might see Wells Fargo in the 22s on Tuesday, which could be huge. Seeing it that low, we could be able to get some nice premium for some low shares of Wells Fargo. And if they pick up Wells Fargo at $22 a share, I'm not going to be complaining. It's a decent bank and it'll do good. If we look at the week was not good. Started the week off fine, just up a little bit, up like $600 at one point. Yeah, 626, and then we just lost a ton, all because of Amron, basically. And yeah, it was just rough. It was a rough day on Friday. Started down big. The count was down 10% at one point, with everything happening. But, we were bouncing back and we were able to get back. And, we're still up pretty decent, up 4,700 all time. This is my chart, guys. I don't know if I ever showed you guys it, but for the first couple months of trading, I didn't really do much. I didn't have a lot of money in my accounts. I didn't really trade much at all. So nothing really happened. We started to make a nice climb up, selling some covered calls, and just rode it up big. And then right here, February 21st, right before the crash happened of March, we just lost everything because of COVID. And we made our way all the way back up, even more than we were before. And then I started buying puts, and I lost it all buying puts. And then we just started selling some cash secured puts again. This was a couple days ago, actually, or about a month ago. And, we're just making our way back now. So we're still up, despite being down huge on Amron. We're making our way back. I'm also going to be looking to sell some puts on TNA, which is the small cap triple leveraged ETF. So hopefully, I'm hoping that the ETF starts in the 31s, and I can go ahead here and sell some for 30. So hopefully this will be going for like $1 per. Because I got 18K available buying power. I wish I had more. I wish Robinhood would allow you to use margin to do puts, like selling puts. I can understand buying puts, no, but for selling it, I don't see why I can't do that. I can buy shares, but I can't sell it. It's kind of weird. So I don't know how much you could do. Probably 10 or so. Because, I mean, how much collateral would I need for that? I don't even know if I'd have enough. 30,000, so I wouldn't even have enough, unfortunately. So I can do 5 of that. So yeah, but it's gonna free up a lot. So I really hope Apple starts up big on Monday. I can get out of this and get another 11K worth of collateral. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking closely. I might even think about selling a TQQ put if it goes down in the morning. Hopefully it doesn't, because I'm saying hopefully Apple will go up. But if I can sell, a cash secured put on TQQ, that'll give me some nice premium as well. So that's really what I'm thinking. I'm thinking of just looking at Wells Fargo, Apple, and TNA. These are the ones I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't really know what else at the moment that I would want to do. I'm hopefully gonna be able to sell some cash covered calls on Ameren. We'll see how it does, but we gotta fix this. We're down big, down $3,100. So we can see how much we can get for the calls. It's not much. It's not much at all. 15 cents per 17, $255. It's just not much. Especially for only 25 cents higher. We don't want it at that, and we don't want to lose it at 4.5 either. So hopefully it'll go up big and be like 470. I can sell some for 5. Worst case scenario, I lose it at 5. I'd be very upset because I'd be taking a $1,800 loss. But oh well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see. But that's what it's looking like for right now. Look like we're gonna just sell some puts on TNA, Wells Fargo, and maybe even Apple as well. But hopefully we'll be able to close out our Apple position, and it'll start up in the beginning of the day. But that's really about it, guys. That's what I'm doing. That's my plans. Yeah, we're going to see what happens. We're still holding our 400 shares of CVM, hoping for that data readout to be positive and hoping to 10x our money from that. But that video will come down the road. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm planning on doing as of right now. Debating whether to transfer my money into TD Ameritrade, because I believe TD Ameritrade allows you to use margin for options, and it would make me a lot more money if I was able to do that. But I don't know. We'll see. It's discussion for a later date. But anyways, guys, that's my plans for the week. I'm hoping this is going to work out good for me and we can make some nice money. I'm hoping to get the account back to about 43,000 at the end of the week. Obviously, huge stretch, but at least 42. I'm not going to settle for anything less than 42. But that's just my goal. Hoping to build it up, and we'll see. We'll see what happens, guys. But that's what I'm looking forward to. That's what my plan is. I got it all written down, and I'm ready to execute when I see, the opportunity present itself. So hopefully that helps you guys get a little knowledge of what I'm going to be doing next week, and we're going to come back from this crash strong, and hopefully be able to profit big from it. So yeah, those are my plays, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And enjoy the day off on Monday. I mean, I know me. I wish it was trading going on Monday, but we'll be working a lot, making some money, and putting that right back into the Robinhood account. So anyways, guys, enjoy your day, enjoy the weekend, get some rest, and hey, we come back Tuesday ready for battle. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.